Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So today I will show you how to recover your deleted file like video, audio and screen recorder uh, which you delete from your mobile phone earlier, permanently deleted. How can you recover those file and media into your phone? Before I starting the video, I want to say that please watch the full video. Without watching full video, you can fail to recover your file manager to your phone. For this reason I will say you please watch the full video. So let's start the video. So for recover your file media, you will have to get a app. For getting the app, you have to open your Play Store. From Play Store you have to search a app called media file recovery. You can see here media file recovery. So you have to download the app. I downloaded the app previously. For this reason I simply open the app. After that, which language you are preferable, you have to click here. I am preferable with English, so I am clicking on English. Then you have to click here get started, so click simply get started. And now you have to click what you want to recover, audio or video. So I want to simply recover video, so you have to click on video. So you can see here how many video you deleted earlier. So here you can see I deleted 122 video deleted. So show deleted file, you have to click on here. So you can see here deleted file. So you have to simply click which file you want to get back. So I have simply click here, I want to get back this file. So you have to click on the file what you want to get back. So then after that you have to click restore now. So you can see here restore to store emulated zero media recovery video. So I will show you where you can find the video. So you have to go simply open file manager, and then you have to go your internal memory. You will can see here media recovery and videos. You will can see here the videos have been recovered. So this is the process of recover which you delete permanently. So thanks for watching the video. So I will see you next time with another video that